perfect, easy meatloaf recipe today. What's up guys, my name is Mair. Today I'm sharing perfect meatloaf recipe with you guys. So let's go straight into the video. Alright, so first thing first, this is our ground beef. This is 80-20 and this is 1 pound of ground beef. The first thing first, oh why it's so hard. Okay, so we will take out our ground beef just right in our mixing bowl. Add the paprika, half tablespoon. Add the garlic powder, full tablespoon, and add the ginger powder, half tablespoon. Now let's move on to the fresh ingredients. We will be using half red bell pepper and a whole 1 onion, medium size. So we will slice our bell pepper. We will make tiny pieces and we will process this bell pepper. So this is our processor. So we'll place our bell pepper right there in the processor. And with the bell pepper we can also process the onion at the same time in there. We will try to make small cubes out of it, so it will be easy for our processor to process. Alright, so our onion and the bell pepper has been processed. This is how it looks. So we will add all on the top of our ground beef. Adding bell pepper will definitely give fresh flavor to your ground meat for your meatloaf. Okay, this is done. We will take the spoon and now friends, take the breadcrumbs. I'm using regular breadcrumbs and we will use at least 4 spoons of breadcrumbs in there. And that's pretty much done. Now add your regular table salt, at least 1 tablespoon, and take the egg and add 1 egg in there as well. Now guys, you can use the spoon to mix this mixture just like that, or you can use your hand. So first we will take a help of a spoon. So I have taken a lot of help from the spoon, but the best way is to use your hands and mix everything up really well. So all the mixing is done. Now we will move this mixture in our meatloaf dish. So this is our meatloaf dish, and what we will do, we will put some oil in the bottom first so the meatloaf doesn't get stick. I mean, it doesn't stick, but it's better to have a little bit, a tiny layer of oil in the bottom. And now just transfer your, alright, so this is how it's gonna look. And now friends, put this meatloaf dish in an oven at least for 40 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees. So I will see you guys after 40 to 50 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 45 minutes and this is our meatloaf. So for now we will add some chili garlic sauce as a topping on top. So here we will put the chili garlic sauce on the top, and we will spread this chili garlic sauce with the spoon. And okay, this is beautifully done. So we will leave the spoon on the side And now friends, we will slice our meatloaf. And we will make thin slices of our meatloaf, just like that. So it's just like a cake. If you have a cake, like whole pound of cake, and you make slices, this is what you have to do with your meatloaf. We will serve this meatloaf with some mashed potatoes and some sweet green peas. And if you guys want to check the video of the mashed potatoes, I'll leave the video link in the description, so you can go and check it out, how to make the perfectly fresh garlic mashed potatoes. So guys, this is almost done. Now we will take out our meatloaf slice and put it right on the plate, just like that, and put it right on the side. And you guys can see how perfectly it's done. I'll show you the close-up shots in a minute. So these are our perfectly homemade meatloaves. We will add some mashed potatoes and the green peas right on the side. I mean the green peas. We will add the green peas on the side. Homemade mashed potatoes right on the side. Just like that. And we will add some beef gravy right on top. This is from the market, so we will put some beef gravy right on our meatloaf and some on our potatoes. So time for the bite. Let's take our first bite. Okay, let me switch the sides. Okay, so this is our meatloaf. I just want to taste the meatloaf first. As you guys can see how beautifully it's cooked. I'm just blown away right now. This is the perfect example of the comfort food. With the peas and the mashed potatoes and the beef gravy right on top. Yo, you guys have to try this. Has all the secrets in there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the recipe in the description box, and I'll leave the recipe of mashed potatoes in the description box as well. Please subscribe the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye now.